Hello everyone, Brian with Frontline Animal Removal. Today I want to show you a architectural feature that creates critter problems. And here we have it. We got this eave right here. It hangs out over the lower roof. And if we take a look right here, this distance is, I don't know, 14 to 16 inches in height. Now what was happening at this structure, raccoons were going in here. But the problem is, all this soffit down along here is very close to the roof, and a raccoon can very easily reach up and open this up. So the safe way of fixing this is to line this with plywood all the way down, because more than likely a raccoon will come in the future and try this spot. When this spot doesn't open, they might try along here, because this is all easily accessible and easily opened by a raccoon. So we ran approximately 14 or so odd feet of plywood to lock the raccoons out. So if you got a low eave on your house and you're experiencing critter issues in the night, take a look at it and see if any of the soffit panels are popped out. I've done several of these before, but I think this is the first time I made a video about it. Thank you.